carrot, carrot, potato, potato, tomato, tomato, onion, onion, cucumber, cucumber, spinach, spinach, broccoli, broccoli, cauliflower, cauliflower, bell pepper, bell pepper, aubergine, aubergine, zucchini, zucchini, peas, peas, lettuce, lettuce, kale, kale, cabbage, cabbage, sweet potato, sweet potato, corn, corn, radish, radish, beetroot, beetroot, asparagus, asparagus, pumpkin, pumpkin, squash, squash, green beans, green beans, garlic, garlic, ginger, ginger, leek, leek, celery, celery, okra, okra, turnip, turnip, Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts, artichoke, artichoke, chard, chard, fennel, fennel, shallot, shallot, scallion, scallion, mushroom, mushroom, bok choy, bok choy, watercress, watercress, endive, endive, yam, yam, parsnip, parsnip, collard greens, collard greens, rhubarb, rhubarb, dandelion greens, dandelion greens, purslane, purslane, jicama, jicama, taro, taro, lotus root, lotus root, horseradish, horseradish, snow peas, snow peas, bitter gourd, bitter gourd, kohlrabi, kohlrabi, Swiss chard, Swiss chard, acorn squash, acorn squash, butternut squash, butternut squash, chili pepper, chili pepper, water chestnut, water chestnut, yam bean, yam bean, amaranth leaves, amaranth leaves, edamame, edamame, nopales, nopales, daikon radish, daikon radish, tindra, tindra, celeriac, celeriac, moringa, moringa, bamboo shoots, bamboo shoots, sorrel, sorrel, purslane, purslane, mizuna, mizuna, tatsai, tatsai, cassava, cassava, Malabar spinach, Malabar spinach, mustard greens, mustard greens, salsify, salsify, rutabaga, rutabaga, arrowroot, arrowroot, pandan leaves, pandan leaves, yardlong beans, yardlong beans, banana blossom, banana blossom, sunchoke, sunchoke, broccolini, broccolini, romanesco, romanesco, scozzana, scozzana, teasel gourd, teasel gourd, pattypum squash, pattypum squash, chayote, chayote, taro leaves, taro leaves, galangal, galangal, pumpkin leaves, pumpkin leaves, winter melon, winter melon, lotus stem, lotus stem, wild asparagus, wild asparagus, drumstick, drumstick, fiddlehead fern, fiddlehead fern, elephant foot yam, elephant foot yam, snake gourd, snake gourd, pigeon pea, pigeon pea.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.